111.
110.
Our application is 80. But you have a different application.
Order 80.
Which one are you placing, Mr. Orta?
Can 30 and 31.
And 30.
30 and 30.
Similar, I am pressing can 29.
All
So
the same.
29, 30, 31.
On 30. Same.
And Mr. Bhattacharya is in 30 and 31.
So who
So
is
kindly
opposing?
take up 30 first, my lord.
30, 30.
You are there. Opposing.
Well, I think he will support.
You are supporting.
Always, man.
Then what order do you want?
My lord, kindly seize my lord's order taken.
Pass that order.
11th of July.
Dispose of the writ petition also.
11th of July 2025, this court failed to let one expert body which she appointed to come to a conclusive decision. 11th of July 2025.
Just. 11th of July
25.
in the present appeal, order was passed.
Yes.
Yes.
Application is picked. My lord, looking at it,
30 minutes.
Can 30 or 31 any application.
ওই অত বোধা নামিয়ে দিন না ওখান থেকে।
যে কোনো একটা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন নিলেই হবে।
কোন অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা স্যার প্লেস করছেন?
একটাই তো order
না প্যাজিনেশনের তফাৎ হচ্ছে তো।
একটাই তো
30 না 31?
Yes, Mr. Orta.
The minutes of the meeting of the subject experts in English language and mathematics are produced and on perusal, the original returned to learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the appellants. The subject experts in the resolution have opined that the concerned questions pertinent to pedagogy both in English and mathematics are to be examined by an expert. Experts thought without some other expert who are not conversing with pedagogy, they will consider. This was to be done, and I believe it has been done. Only the report be placed. So that
There was a time limit of 3 weeks. It's been
further
14 weeks.
proceeded with by these petitioners.
পরের
And
প্যারাগ্রাফটা
this was
পরের প্যারাগ্রাফ
only without that it should be done within period of 3 weeks from the date. Mr. Sanyal can enlighten whether the experts were appointed referred.
অ্যাডভার্টাইজমেন্ট দিয়ে দিয়েছি। আরে সেটা তো পরের কথা, আগে সেইটা হোক।
ওটা দিয়েছে রিপোর্ট দিয়েছে রে
হ্যাঁ,
কপিতে না আমাদের একটা এটাই হবে না।
করে দিই, পিটিশন গুলো টেনে নি,
হ্যাঁ
করে দিই।
So it is a 3-member committee to be constituted. That has been done.
No, I'm told Mr. Sanyal can enlighten whether
Then what you are wanting, Mr. Orta?
the final report of the expert committee on the basis of which whether the further action can be taken, whether we are entitled to
গেট নাম্বার
So that
the
is
numbers
ready,
on-
Mr. Sharma?
Everything is ready, but I have one submissions to your lordship. This is an disposed of appeal. Now, page,
Disposed of a
can I kindly come to the first order of the appeal of the
Doesn't matter.
observation bench at page 93. Starts at page 93.
ডিসপোজ অফ অ্যাপিলে ওনারা অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করেছিলেন সেই অ্যাপ্লিকেশনে কোর্ট অর্ডার করেছিল
Now your
এই
lordship,
এই অর্ডারটা ইটসেলফ ডিসপোজ অফ
I'm not placing that by this order, modifying the order of the learned single judge, the committee was appointed. Your lordship kindly come to the internal page 9 of the order, judgment, page 98, running page. 98, may I just read out your lordship? This is judgment dated probably 23rd August. 98, we therefore modify the impugned order to the extent that instead of the submitting the views, reports and opinions by the board as well as the writ petitioner independently, the issues can be referred to a committee consisting of one member to be nominated by the board having a proficiency in the subject in relation to the question over which the dispute has been raised, one member from the University of Calcutta in the relevant subject and one member to be nominated by the Vice Chancellor of the Vishwabharati University having a knowledge and expertise in particular subject. We are concerned that there would be a multiple committee as the dispute has been raised on the several questions and the answers is given for it. But in our opinion, it would bring equitas to an issue and percolate a sense of fairness and transparency. The nomination shall be completed within fortnight from date and the communication of the order by the respective authorities. The state shall provide a logistic committee to logistic support to the committee members and shall pay an according remuneration. With this direction, the aforesaid appeals are disposed of, we expect that the Reef Court to decide the matter on merit after the reports are filed by the committees within a reasonable time. Well, these committees file their respective reports in respect of all the questions. Now, only in respect of 7 questions, they say they are somehow related to pedagogy. And these members doesn't have that expertise in pedagogy. So they find that other members should be recruited. Now, your lordships, we have to approach this honorable court because the division bench said that we have to approach the learned single judge. We approach the learned single judge with the report of the committee. That this is the opinion of the committee. In
After
respect-
this order.
after this order. Now, this committee, your lordship, the honorable single judge was of the view, since the order was passed by the division bench,
Division
it should approach before the division bench.
In a disposal
That's
of
why
appeal.
your lordship will find page, my lord, if I'm not wrong, 102, one order, and the other order, your lordships at page 105.
The final order 110.
That's, then your lordships, final order to serve 98.
No, no, no.
Now
one
then
was-
what?
Then we may mention the matter before the division bench. Division bench was initially of the view, since we have already disposed of the matter, we are functions of
Who
the
are you? You are the board.
board.
Oh,
So this was the appeal of the board. Now, say division bench was of the view, we mentioned the matter, division bench was of the view, we are functions of the matter, you have to take steps according to law.
was the order for-
Then we have taken out an application, because the single judge's view is, my lord, that we have to approach the division bench. Then this order was passed, my lord, 110.
Then you
That the committee in respect of 3 persons of pedagogy.
Sanctus officio observation, where is that?
Well, that's, my lord, over.
That's
That's we
not
have to
there.
take an application.
So you made an application.
Application. Then in disposed of appeal, this order was passed.
Very good.
Now,
Now,
your lordships, this report is ready. What I'm submitting before your lordships, we can submit the report before your lordships. Kindly take up those writ petitions.
আর আমি কেন করবো? Go to the.
Because both of us mentioned the matter before the learned single judge. Single judge didn't have the time to take up the matter. To cut short the matter, so your lordships can take up and dispose of.
We have no, we also do not have it.
No, let the
So
report
that's-
be published.
Milord,
Lord, I tell your lordships,
Milord, may I humbly, Milord, make
Milord,
one submission? Let the reports be circulated, we'll go back.
report we want to place before the court first, not circulate
When
between
you
the
place
parties.
it before this
No,
court,
there
we
is-
can-
Because we have to, then your lordships take up the writ petition. That's unfair.
No, Mr. Sannal, you have to go to the trial court.
No, I can, then your lordships, these applications is not.
Then this application he has prayed for rather compliance of the order and to file the report.
So let us
So we will take it on record and we will dispose
but-
of the application in the light of the.
Or lordships give us the liberty to mention immediately.
No, no,
Kindly
you will
request
take
the
a-
Let the report come. Let the report come.
Take up the matter.
To that, do you have any problem, Mr.?
No, absolutely not.
Let the report be placed, then your lordship will give us liberty to mention, so that there no further time is wasted on that.
Is it ready, Mr.?
The report is ready.
You have it?
No, right now, do not.
No.
No, my lord, all that, my lord, if we submit before here,
There will be only one report, na, pertaining to do the,
my lord, there are 2 reports will be, my lord, because I tell you one
one is
mathematics.
of English and the other is of mathematics. There are two separate committees for these two subjects.
2017 আলাদা 2022 আলাদা দুটো
So, my lord,
If it is ready, Mr. Sannal, you tell us when you.
I'm not on that I not place it before losses. All that I'm submitting, you losses, take up the main matter on the basis of the report. Let us dispose it of your
So
losses.
it will be.
I tell your losses, I file the report, but if your losses ask me to circulate, then the further litigation, so let it be considered for the, by the learned single judge
We
first.
won't say anything. We will only take that on record.
Yes,
In
yes.
terms of the division bench, judge, our coordinate bench said that you prepared the report. We will record you have filed the report before us and we will dispose of the application with liberty to the
Yes, that's
parties.
better.
to-
Absolutely.
So can we take that on record today itself? And what is the other application?
Milord, similar, application, all are similar.
We are all, if I file the report before losses, that has to be again transferred to the learned single
That's
judge.
what it
Naturally.
বলছে।
We will
That
give-
can be done.
You give it in a cover,
What
it
would
will be placed there.
So, my lord, I wanted that, my lord, kindly request the learned single judge to take up, we go and mention and give the report to the learned single.
No, you give the report. It's been
As
14
the-
weeks.
As the division bench, coordinate bench has said that if
Yes.
the formality be
100%.
completed, you give it before us.
No, my lord, your lordships, my lord, if I'm not wrong,
105
kindly have a look at this, you'll also page 98. The division bench observation,
Modified হয়ে গেছে পরবর্তী।
no, modify হয়নি, sir.
হ্যাঁ obviously
No modified, only committee modified, ultimate
Obviously.
direction not modified.
So any-
Last paragraph.
File করে then we can go there.
Just because one filed an application that has to be accepted, my lord, that's not the point.
But your application has also been disposed of, Mr.
No,
Bhattacharya.
these are still pending.
No, these are
Appeal and
subsequent applications.
19 page 112, you had placed.
Earlier application. Earlier
That is his application.
That's our application.
That is his application.
So after that order, you have filed this application.
Yes.
So what is your prayer in?
My
We-
prayer is that the report of the expert committee, which was thought to be constituted on the advice of the other expert committee, be placed before the court.
By public.
And
Published.
let it be published. That's the only prayer.
Page 75.
Once we get to know the report, well, we can pursue the subsequent steps, whether we are entitled to
But
participate.
this prayer, according to me, my lord, goes counter to page 98. Because the division bench in the parent order says
Right,
goes before.
circulation, we will not direct. You file the report, let it be on record.
Lord, may I
Let
just,
both of them go to the trial judge and make prayer that let us see that report and we come back and hear fine.
Lord, may I also insist on circulation? I'll tell your lordship the reason.
So circulation, we cannot direct.
Lord,
Suppose
may I
that
just say
will-
this?
That will again, we have to make it again returnable.
No, 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 no,
Come
no.
and say
Lord,
that-
may I indicate, Lord, what
Give
is,
that prayer before.
Lord,
decision.
may I just take 2 minutes? I have a separate application. I have separate prayers. I'll just take 2 minutes of your lordship's time. Number one, this is regarding, my lord, the TET 2022 examinations. Certain persons have come forward and said the questions were wrong. My lord, series of orders passed, your lordships have seen. We were able to convince the court and, my lord, my lord, expert opinion was sought. Now today, after all these orders are passed, 14 weeks have gone by, report is not here. They have now published a notification saying that we will be inviting applications for my lord jobs. That notification has come on the 25th of September, which is the closing date, my lord, of court. Now, please see the notification. Now, if the report is circulated, all the writ petitioners, my lord, they know what answers they have given in the examinations. So they will know, my lord, whether their fate, my lord, is affected or not. Whether they'll be, my lord, able to get a job or not. My lord, in any case, I have to get the report. I'm the writ petitioner. I will get the report before I make submissions in the final hearing of the writ petition. My lord, there is absolutely no reason why, my lord,
And
my
Mr.
learned friend will.
Bhattacharya is also for some of
For
the.
some other writ petitioners, my lord, I have also made a separate prayer in another application. I have said that if these people,
Mr. Sannal, you give us the report.
My lord, may I make, because I now opposing the submissions of
No,
Mr.
no, you give a copy to the concerned
My
advocate.
lord, that's my, not
Yes.
I'm telling you. This is an appeal disposed of.
Mr. Sannal, why you are going into technicalities?
My lord, all these judgments,
the
then too
board
much
is for the
technicalities.
students'
1987 judgment, too much technicalities then, my lord.
Very good. We
That is an-
simply
you
on
also-
the issue, Mr.
My
Sannal.
lord, that's why I'm telling you, lordship, the division bench was opined that please place the report, the learned single judge and decide the matter.
Very good. We are not interfering with that. We are only on the basis of the observation of the coordinate bench, we are taking it on record. We are disposing of the applications with copy to the learned
advocates on
No,
record, so
that's
that
my
we can
point.
go
We
back
will
and
not, my
argue
lord,
the
want to
matter.
Give them,
without prejudice, Mr. Sannal.
my lord,
cannot
probably
deny
I cannot make my submissions clear
So
Lord-
you don't want the reports to be circulated?
before the learned single judge. Let them go there.
What difference?
That's your lordship, page 98 goes again.
That will not alter anything.
That's, my lord,
Come with
then,
the-
my lord,
Buying time.
come with the report. When are you coming with the কবে দেবেন?
my lord, if suppose your lordships, after having the report, if the single judge is of the opinion that the report should not be circulated, is satisfied, then what would happen?
How can that be?
My lord, that's the, I'm losing, my lord, a forum. So let's your lordships get it before the learned single judge. That's the point, your lordships. It was one after another litigation because this was done.
Of candidates.
There were these reports are meant for.
My lord, even at their request, they are nominated
We are
university
not-
appointed.
Mr. Sannal, we are not asking you to give thousands of copies. We will say one copy to the concerned advocate and to the other. That does
That's
not
all, my
mean,
lord.
that does not mean
My lord, I cannot give the report to
because
them
Eh.
because the names of the experts will be disclosed. That's the Supreme Court says should not be.
Let them like that.
Why this? Let it be decided by the learned single. Or your lordship, take it up your lordship first.
Happened in Madrasa.
My lord, what is,
That's the judgment of the Supreme Court.
my lord, how is this submission made? Court has
I'm
appointed
saying,
vice
let's
chancellors to
dispose of the
nominate
bill.
a
Your lordship can
committee.
Not the matter, Mr.
Yes.
Sudhir. They will file the report, we will place it here and we give you liberty to go to the
So
signature.
that
And take a copy, my lord. Take a certified copy.
So that you
Absolutely.
can make all
Yes, yes,
necessary prayers.
absolutely, my lord. Absolutely.
But is it with you, Mr. Sannal? Can we dispose it of today?
Yes, but
Report টা কোথায়?
report now.
ওটা দিবি তো।
Tomorrow, report I'm.
Let them submit.
We'll come
So
back
you
tomorrow.
take it.
my lord.
Yes, tomorrow পেয়ে যাবো তো।
No, no, tell us when.
No. ছুটি চলছে তো অফিস।
Oh, of all officers closed, I'm told. ছট পুজো করবেন জগদ্ধাত্রী পুজোর পর খুলেছেন।
Report was asked to be filed on 11th July and you're saying.
My lord, a report ready, learned Singh judge refused to take her. To whom we will report submit?
Acha, where is it? You don't have the copy.
Kindly consider this. They also mentioned twice, thrice.
Original copy, Malad, with the seal,
Yeah.
Gala seal, Malad, it was handed over to me. But Malad, because of this ensuing vacation, Malad, I handed over to the board because I didn't
Acha,
keep
all
in my
right, you
chamber.
comfort those report, put it in an envelope. We will.
It
keep
was
them
already in envelope.
Already
So
seen
very
it in
good.
the place tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow to be mentioned.
Tomorrow তো অফিস বন্ধ।
Malad, kindly, Malad, take Thursday. But
Thursday
up
ছুটি।
to tomorrow,
Thursday is also
What is
holiday.
happening?
Wednesday morning, Malad, I will
Shocking
get
state of affairs.
at best, Malad. Today, Malad, I will communicate.
Emergency office থেকে
Wednesday morning, as soon as the office
You
will
are-
open, Malad, I will be, Malad,
সব fourth
given.
grade
All
staff
right,
তো
31st to be mentioned. 31st to be mentioned, it will be the first matter you given. Yes, next.
নেই এত সময় নষ্ট করি, প্রথমে এটা কমিটি নতুন কমিটি করতে বলেছে, ফ্রেশ কমিটি করতে বলেছে।
না, এটা কোনটা? এটা ডিসপোজ অফ।